Welcome to Homosassa, Florida. We're going to be in the Homosassa Springs area over the next few days, so come along with us as we explore the area. If you're new to the channel, my name is Becky. I travel with my husband Travis and our daughter Teddy, and today we are checking out the Homosassa Springs State Park. Big Lou here was born in the San Diego Zoo in 1960, and he's lived at Homosassa Springs since '64. She's hissing at you. Oh. She's looking at you, Teddy. Mom. Yeah. So the two panthers here were both, I guess, abandoned as kittens, it said, and rescued. Oh, she's hissing at you again. It says that once they've been raised by humans, they wouldn't survive in the wild, so they have to live here. There's another one in the back, but they have to be kept separate because the male, it says, are naturally territorial over their range. Okay, so the black bears here were orphaned as well. The female is 20 years, or was orphaned in 2003, so 20 years ago. And then there's a male, maybe this one's the male, he's pretty playful over there. He was just orphaned in 2019. Trav thinks these guys are trying to fly today. Today's the day. Oh, we chased him away.
Walked out of our main building, and we weren't quite sure if we were gonna ride the boat, and we've talked to volunteer specialist, and he says you can either take the boat or you can take the tram. Tram is 7 minutes and the boat's 20 minutes, and it leaves on the hour.
And the tram is free.
Tram is free.
So the Homosassa Springs Visitor Center is located here, right along one of the main roads. And we actually drove over here to the Wildlife State Park, which is where we parked and where we did the wildlife tour. So this is where you can take a boat to the visitor center up this little river.
There's not a whole lot to see or do when you come to the main visitor center. I think it's more for like once the center up there gets full, probably people park here, and then the tram and the boat are more to get people up there because there's stuff to see and do up there. But ooh, there's a long line for the tram right now. But yeah, that's just something that we now know by checking it out. So it's 20 after 11, so it's quite busy now. So the top parking lot has been full for a while. So obviously it's normal for people to park down here and shuttle up. See the monkeys, but they're on vacation. Who knows where that even is? Look at their island is getting a reno. Careful.
New building.
We got building supplies. We got a new little house over there. I guess that's good to see. They're being taken care of. Darn, no monkeys for us today. So here's the Florida cracker, where you would normally be able to see the monkeys here in Homosassa. Looks like a nice little bar. Alright, we are coming to check out Crump's Landing Tiki Bar here in Homosassa. It is obviously a fun little tiki bar. It's got a cool little area where the kids can play, and we hear the food is good.
Just experienced Crump's,
and it was so good. We had this little appetizer platter which had fried pickles and fried shrimp.
Fried shrimp.
And gator.
Gator. Got the gator in us.
And I had some mahi tacos, which were really good with like mango salsa. And
I had the gumbo, which I've never had gumbo, especially never been to Florida, so got the gumbo. Gumbo was excellent, 10 out of 10. Excellent shrimp. They've got sausage and gumbo and rice, and it was good. And Teddy had, once again, mac and cheese for Teddy.
There was fries on her plate too, and actually their fries, the way they do them, were really good. So everything here seemed like a real hit. It was
real 10
really
out of 10.
Meal.
Yeah, you can tell. This even the facility is excellent here. They've done a very nice job. Good place to go.
It's Friday, and they're setting up for live music right now too, so it seems like a really fun place to be.
Yep.
Good morning. We have come to Weeki Wachee State Park this morning. It's about a 30-minute drive from where we're staying in Homosassa Springs, and we got here just around 9, which is when the park opens, and there was a huge lineup. It took us 40 minutes to get through the lineup and in because it is a Saturday and the crowds are here to enjoy the Buccaneer Bay Water Park today. They've got the water park with the slides, but it's actually in a real spring. So it's like natural spring here in Florida.
Behold this beauty as our story unfolds.
So Weeki Wachee State Park is a super fun place to spend your day or part of a day. The mermaid attraction has actually been there since 1947, so they're celebrating currently their 75th anniversary, so that's pretty amazing. Lots of history there. The show that we saw today was their telling of the Little Mermaid, which was just like, it was cool to see. It's definitely worth the stop. And then very cool to be able to be in the spring and have the water park there. So it's super fun. We are heading out, it's lunchtime. We're gonna pick up a bite. Hopefully the babe will have a nap in the car, and we're going to head to Clearwater Beach. Okay, we are coming at you from Honeymoon Island and Honeymoon Island State Park. So we didn't quite make it all the way to Clearwater. It just felt like it was taking so long to drive because you're basically driving like through a giant city the entire time. So for like over an hour we were driving, like stopping at stoplights. It just felt like it was taking forever, and but it was good because Teddy was sleeping, but I was just thinking of having to drive back. And I don't know, I just wasn't sure that we wanted to do that, and I didn't know if the traffic would be worse at the end of the day. So anyways, we just picked a spot and pulled off, and this Honeymoon Island is actually like kind of north of the little strip of an island that Clearwater Beach is on, and so maybe it's almost even the same like island chain. Anyways, it's gorgeous here. It's very busy. It is, like I said, a Saturday. So lots of people, but we found parking no problem. We found a little spot on the beach, and we're just super happy to be dipping our toes into the Gulf of Mexico and into this gorgeous white sand that they have here. There's seashells everywhere. So it just looks like a really nice spot to spend the afternoon. Just like, it's like sugar, it just comes right off. It's so nice. Yeah, get your toes in it. Get your toesies. in Disney, but when we come to the beach, it's plus 22.
Plus 22.
Feels cold, believe it or not.
Not bad.
Okay, we are leaving the Honeymoon Island State Park. We just spent a couple hours, or maybe a few hours, at the beach. We went for a couple of dips in the water. Teddy enjoyed the water and the sand, and like we said, it was beautiful sand, so it was a nice little beach to be on. It's a bit windy and cool, but it's really cool just to be in the salty water and on the sandy beach. We are just winding down from our day here, just about to start the bedtime routine. We had a really nice day again today, and then we just came back and made supper here in our Airbnb again, which we really love it here. It's like really well stocked. It's so cute, nicely decorated. So that's going to be it for this video. We're going to leave it here. We have done 3 state parks in 2 days. So we did Homosassa Springs yesterday, and then today we did Weeki Wachee, and then we ended up doing Honeymoon Island State Park as well this afternoon, which was a little bit of a divergence from our original plan, but I think we just wanted to go to the beach and see that Gulf of Mexico, and we were able to do that, so it was another great day. So I think that's a good spot to leave this video. We've got 2 more full days in this area, and I'm really excited for what we're going to get up to, so that will come in another video. If you haven't already, you can find me on Instagram. I love posting lots of pictures and stories from our travel. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Any likes and comments or questions on this video, I would love to chat with you in the comments down below. So with that, we'll say thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you next time.